Hello friends, welcome to the Leo English channel. I'm Leo Darren and I'm happy you are here today. In this lesson, we learn how to talk about our day in English. It's easy, it's fun, it's useful. Are you ready? Let's begin. Section 1. What is a daily routine? A daily routine is what you do every day. You wake up, you eat, you study, you sleep. Repeat. I wake up, pause. I eat breakfast, pause. I go to school, pause. I study English, pause. I go home, pause. I sleep, pause. Good job. Section 2. My morning routine. Let's talk about the morning. I say, then you repeat. I wake up at 7 o'clock. Pause. I wash my face. Pause. I brush my teeth. Pause. I eat breakfast. Pause. I drink tea or milk. Pause. I go to school or work. Pause. Target practice tip. Say these when you do them in real life. Section 3. Afternoon routine. In the afternoon, I do these things. I eat lunch. Pause. I take a rest. Pause. I study or work. Pause. I go for a walk. Pause. I talk with my friends. Pause. Check practice. I eat lunch. I take a rest. I go outside. Say it now. Great. Section 4. Evening and night routine. At night, I do these. I eat dinner. Pause. I watch TV. Pause. I check my phone. Pause. I read a book. Pause. I brush my teeth. Pause. I go to bed. Pause. Repeat after me slowly. Then try to say all in a row. Microphone. Example. In the evening, I eat dinner. I watch TV. I go to bed at 10. Section 5. Full daily routine paragraph. Now, let's say a full paragraph about your day. Listen to me first. Microphone. Leo says, I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I eat lunch at 1. In the evening, I watch TV. I sleep at 10. Now you try. I wake up at blank. I blank. I blank. I eat blank. I go to blank. I sleep at blank. Write it down, read it loud. Practice daily.